Okay, so to get this grayish black stuff off of your paver patios, you'll need a scrubber and Clorox. It's an outdoor bleach. And then what I found is helpful is one of those weed killer sprayers. You can just set inside, and then there's a button. It will spray. Sometimes it takes a little while to get going. Okay, so now it's ready to spray. I usually do about 8 to 10 pavers at a time. Maybe a little bit more, maybe 12. Okay, once I've covered the pavers completely, I stop and I start scrubbing. You want to wear gloves because the bleach isn't good for your skin. You scrub hard. And then I let it dry. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like after it's dried. Okay, when it dried, you can see the part that I did and the part I haven't done yet. It makes a huge difference. And really isn't too hard. And one thing that I'm gonna do once I have the whole thing done, I'll show you what I've done so far. I've done all of this. I have a little bit left to go. What I've read up that causes this is moisture, and it's usually on patios that face the north because they don't get as much sun to dry up the rain, and so then the moisture is left to sit on the pavers and it creates mold, algae, things like that to grow on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase a water repellent spray and spray the whole patio so that I don't have to do this again next year, because it will eventually come back. So that's a tip for you to protect all your hard work. So hope this helped.